Ladies, Stiga vibes, please me I beg on share this. Hopefully me save somebody relationship tonight. Ladies, me tell you something. Fuck alone nah keep man happy. Uno too ras boring man. Uno woman here, uno boring 2017 and uno nah suck cocky. And me tell you something again. Suck cocky alone nah keep man. Ladies, if you have your man, more ask you what you do since the morning start. What have you done for your man since? Oh, me I wait till. We are wait pan later on. Side girl already sort him out. Check him phone. He full up a pussy picture. I'll know you know send the man a pussy picture with him name right pan it. Make him know so later on when him come home, that him go get. My girl, right now me I make you know the side girl pass you already. The side girl done that. You wonder why your money short come Friday. Cause side girl I get half fight. Ladies, at 2017, if you stop being boring. Sometimes I read some of no comment, sometimes I read some of no reply back to some things when I say. Sometimes I have to laugh in my head. And say the girl a man a fuck pan him. My girl, your man a fuck pan you. You can't keep your man happy. And that me I make you know. You're just boring up the thing. You not make no video. You not play with the pussy and send go give the man. You wait till the man come home. When the man come home, you fuck the man in the dark. Like gone, my girl, it better you just live in the dark. And that me I make you know. Cause if you go have your man and you fuck him in the dark, why send you have light for? You don't need no light in your house then, man. You need to go use coal fire and wood fire out the door. You don't need no electricity in your house. You know, woman too boring. And that me I make you know. And you wonder why your man a fuck pan you and I do all of them something, the ladies. Let me tell you something how to keep a man happy. See, as him wake up, you suck off him cocky. And fight him for fuck. Make him say, babe, me can't take no more. When the man there work, full him phone with pussy picture. If you know want practice, just send a picture them come give me and me tell you how to pose and how to do the things. Them. But ladies, I tell you now. Right now, me do no favor. Write him your man name on your pussy and send him a picture and say, babe, this year I get later on. If you have on a sexy panty, just take him, tease it. Man love being teased. Ladies, you have to get your man attention 24/7. And that's how you keep a man. You see me? You have to constantly text him fuckery. You see me? Make him feel like he can go get threesome and all them something there. But woman just boring and then you know want send man fuckery text. Text don't mean nothing. Big Valentine's and you send him man picture with other people. Nobody know want see that blood clot. Stop sending man them something there. Nobody know want see no picture with no happy Valentine's. We want see the pussy with their name right funny and the man knows they are theme pussy that and that him a get later on. This is Stiga Vibes. Share it. So me see if somebody relationship. Hi. Take out the clothes.